Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We are here at ISE 2017. I'm here with Holger Graff, who's the Managing Director for Vivitek EMEU. Hey Holger, how are you?
Great, thanks. Great to have you here.
Good to have you, or good to be here, I should say. And you kind of surprised the market a little bit because last year when we were here, you launched a product that was the Novo DS and the Novo Pro. Okay, which were your first collaboration products. Right. But I want to show the people that are here before you start talking, you've got something new here. What do you think about this?
Well, actually for us it's a very exciting moment because we are now able to make it, take everything to the next level, because we have now a corporate solution that is probably very seamless, very easy to use, and basically a solution for any meeting room in any corporate environment.
Yeah, and it's called the Novo Enterprise, and as you can see, it's got a button, or as they call it, a Launcher Plus.
Launcher Plus.
Launcher Plus. I can call it a button. They call it a Launcher Plus, but it's literally like you plug this into a USB port, and it allows you to put content through the Novo Enterprise, which is a more enterprise version, business version of your collaboration system, which is a wireless collaboration system that allows you to connect to 2 displays simultaneously, up to 4 sources. What do you think? What's the response been here so far?
Well, actually it's phenomenal, to use an American term, because we have so much fantastic response. Novo Pro was already a very, very good step in the right direction, and we have been extremely successful in the education environment. But the launcher is now, for us, a game changer, because in many ways we can pair the launcher with the Novo Pro or the Novo Enterprise, the new version, and we can create a seamless connection between the two. So that means you can, without installing it in your internal network environment, can create a direct connection between the launcher and the base unit, and that means you are free and you can have a very easy connection and a very fast connection to present your content from any PC or USB device.
So does the Launcher Plus work with the Novo Pro DS or the Novo Pro, or do you use it through the Novo Enterprise to the Novo Pro?
No, it works actually with both. So you you can upgrade the existing Novo Pro, and you make it compatible with the Launcher Plus. You pair the two, and then you're done. So that means now we can use the Novo Pro without the Launcher Plus in any meeting environment where there are no guests and employees only, because you have the software on your PC, for example. And in environments where you want to have the best of the best, you would use the Novo Enterprise, pair it with the Launcher Plus, and you have for guests a very seamless and fast solution. And if you are a little bit more budget conscious, then you can also say, I pair the Launcher Plus with the Novo Pro. So we have in different price segments for different application areas always a solution. So that's really fantastic.
And the key, I think, to you sort of taking the next step was the fact that you have the Launcher Plus, because now you have a solution for just plugging into USB sources for those that didn't want to actually get on a wireless network. That puts you in a different category. In my opinion, now all of a sudden you're competitive with any of the other collaboration products out there. I think it brings you up to the next level. And I know that for you it's just a step, but at the same time I think for the industry that's the piece that you needed to have, that Launcher Plus piece. So congratulations, I think that's going to be a big hit. Now also, one of the things you're showing here is interactive displays. A lot of people don't know that you actually have interactive displays, so this is an opportunity for you to showcase them here at ISE 2017.
Oh, absolutely. I think we have to acknowledge that there are certain meeting spaces where a large projector screen is not really necessary. For us, the big picture starts at 100-inch, but sometimes a screen size of 75 or 86-inch may be good enough. And for the ease of installation and the size, we now also offer collaborative touch panels, which means that all our touch panels have already Novo Pro software built in, which means you just put them on the wall and you immediately can wirelessly collaborate with them, so you don't need to have any more cable to project.
And what size is this one that we're looking at right here, if you don't mind pointing over here?
Yeah, this one is actually a 75-inch, but we have 65-inch, 86 and also 98-inch, although 98-inch is of course quite a big size.
Yeah,
so
it's a big one to move around. So then basically I don't have to have a Novo Enterprise or Novo DS. It's already built into the display, and all I have to do is use my launchers or get on the network that the display's on, and I can send my content to it wirelessly, in addition to having legacy inputs as well.
Exactly. So you have a great deal of flexibility, because we offer also a PC slot with it. You have of course an Android operating system already built in the panel, so you can have everything that you would expect from an interactive touch panel, plus we add the collaboration, so the whole combination makes a lot of sense for any office environment, meeting environment, where you want to have the flexibility in screen size for what you want to do.
So in addition to it being a collaborative panel, meaning you can connect to it wirelessly or whoever wants to connect to it can connect to it, you also have interactive functionality in there, whiteboarding and annotation and everything.
Exactly.
And they come in 55 through 98 inch, or did I get that right?
65 to 98 inch.
65 to 98 inch. And of course, the booth here, the stand here at ISE 2017 is filled with projectors. There's projectors all over the place. In fact, I just shot with my phone a little live video that we put on Facebook of an interesting Kayye Q8 projector, which is your 1080p, which I got a sneak peek of last year. Your 1080p handheld projector. The little thing is like literally the size of a paperback book. 1,000 ANSI lumens at 1080p resolution. It's mounted inside of like a lamp to make it look like a lamp over a table. It's really neat. If you want to check that out, you can go to facebook.com/ravepubs. But you also have very, very bright projectors here for the first time as well.
Oh, absolutely. I think one of the highlights is as Vivitek and the mother company Delta Electronics is one of the largest manufacturer of laser phosphor engines. We have now also the great opportunity to show the first 4K laser projector with 7,500 ANSI lumen here, hanging up here. And besides that, we are going up to 12,000 ANSI lumen in brightness and increasing throughout the year. So there's a lot to come. And the portfolio for us is really broad because now we can offer from 500 lumen to 12,000 ANSI lumen all kinds of technologies and projectors for various applications. We have also always a bulb and a laser alternative because we believe it's a matter of total cost of ownership of the application of the user, what technology or what light source would be best. So we want to use the flexibility, and we do not want to dictate the end user what technology to use. We would like to understand what would be the right technology for the application of our partner, and then we can decide what would fit best.
That's interesting. So for the most part, most of your models have the ability to have either solid state or lamp-based technology for your traditional projectors. So you have projectors as high as 12,000 ANSI lumens here at ISE 2017. He's already given us a little bit of a sneak peek because he said, and going higher sometime later this year. So you've got a full line. And as you said, Delta is your parent company, and they do make a lot of projectors for a lot of other companies, so you have access to all that technology. Of course, the Vivitek brand has a strong brand awareness, and I think launching this into the product, no pun intended, launching this into the market is going to be very successful in the business market. I wish you best of luck, and thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it. And we are going to go around, Holger, right now and shoot individual product videos on every single product station here in the booth. So all you have to do is type in Vivitek in the video search window, or of course you can go to vivitek.eu to see all the products online.
Perfect. Thanks, Gary.
Yeah.